Right. Thank you.
Numbers never lie. They never lie.
They don't build castles in the sky.
Tables, graphs, quantitative data.
Cut through the crap to the heart of the matter.
Steering you away from baseless conclusion.
Telling a truth that's free of illusion.
Measuring wealth and poverty.
Hunger, food, insecurity.
Numbers don't lie. They never do. They don't lie unless you tell them to. Taking the facts you say are true. Numbers don't lie except when they do.
Climate change for the next generation.
Aquaville, the baby boom hesitation.
Measuring millennials. Seeking employment.
The number of Marines in active deployment.
The number of women passed up for promotion.
Data points causing social commotion.
The number of kids in poverty.
Shameful facts in the land of the free.
Numbers don't lie, they never do. They don't lie unless you tell them to. Taking the facts you say are true. Numbers don't lie except when they do. Numbers lie when you tell them to.
Twisting up the facts to make them true.
They say that you're safe. They say that you're free.
They say you have equal opportunity.
A standard of living higher than anyone.
Quality of life, second to no one.
Leverage your life with a college degree.
A calculated story of security.
Numbers don't lie, they never do. They don't lie unless you tell them to. Taking the facts you say are true. Numbers don't lie except when they do. Yeah. Numbers never lie. They never lie. They never lie. They never lie. They never, 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 never lie. Lying, 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 lying. Lying, 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 lying. Hi. Well, thank you for letting me share that. I think the one usage in a classroom environment for a song like this is to spark a discussion over our reliance on statistical data to prove a point, and also, to what degree, to what varying degrees do we look at someone's personal experience versus statistical data in order to seek truth out. It's a real struggle for me personally. I mean, I do work in dual enrollment at a community college, and I'm constantly drawing on reports that talk about the value of dual enrollment for first generation college students. At the same time, I know there's a lot of people out there in the in higher education that that would refute that, refute the value of something like dual enrollment for high school students taking college classes. So there's a whole range of situations like that. And so I kind of just wanted to use this song as a way to explore that idea.
Thanks, Jerry. So along with the song, it seems like for use in education, it would be very important to have some teaching resources for how to discuss some of the issues in the video, so students, for example, don't get a sense of a false equivalency between some of the numbers that are just made up and some of the ones that come from legitimate sources and things. Have you prepared anything like that, or what are you
I
working
have
towards?
yes, thank you. I have in the past. We used to do a lot of songwriting workshops for teachers, similar to the kind of work that the panelist from University of New Hampshire was doing at the beginning. And so I would do that in at teacher conferences. And since then, we've been focusing more on producing songs. And so I've fallen a little bit behind on teacher resources. So for this one, for example, I would want to have some questions, some resources that would pose questions for classroom discussion, give context for the video. So it's not, as you say, equating, doing false equivalencies, that would confuse students.